Alright, we are here. The garden grew, everybody. Okay, what grew? Okay, the coconut only grew. So hey guys, I realized my only popular video is one of grow. And anyways, one of my popular videos is grow a garden. Grow a garden. I reached 1,000. Yeah, 1,000K views on my videos. That's my only best video, but when I did it again, it didn't even work. It didn't give me money, but the only thing was showing my face. But I don't wanna show my face if I'm making a video, but sometimes I do. And because if I did show my face and I became popular, people might see me and I will get disturbed. I would just want to be alone. But today you're gonna be confused. You say, you're so cringe, you're not even popular. If I become popular again in this grow a garden thing, bruh, what should I do, huh? Okay, let's expand our base if we can. Please? Yep, it worked. Wait, can I move this? What? Bro, no. Bro, stop. Stop. There, we got our trophy with the hot dog and... Yeah. Bro, I can even expand this more. Well, that's nice. That's nice. Oh, this is the mushrooms. Didn't know that. Today I just knew. Remanesco. Yeah, by the way, I can't choose. I can't choose, so I'm on Team Sammy and also Team Grow Garden, but I don't wanna make some brain rot videos like that because it's a little cringe. Sorry about that, Team Sammy users, but I just need to say that. But the thing is, I like still a brain rot better, but also grow a garden. Still a brain rot is like a low because I get stolen every time, but I got a private server, so that means I won't get stolen. But I have friends with me joining me. Some of them want me to invite friends and scam them, but I might invite a friend. Okay, I'ma buy later. If Remanesco is in Shopseed, that's not true because Remanesco don't spawn that easily because I don't know. Remanesco is so hard to spawn in Shade Shop. I don't know why. Is it even a lock? Bro, this is a Remanesco Swede. Look what it do, bro. Look what did it do. It just made my garden ruins. Eh, why is my inventory not full yet? Finally, it's full. I want to sell my inventory. Yeah, I want to sell. Damn, thank you. Wait, I'm on 8 8 billion? Come on, man. 8 billion. Yeah, 8 billion shekels. Why is there 23? Oh my god. Never mind. Beware of dogs because I got the dogs in the back. No, 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 no. They're hungry. They're hungry. No, no, no. I'm sorry, doggies. Please. Please forgive me. Forgive me. I forgot to feed them. Sorry. I'm gonna give the dragon fruit to this thing because this is the hard pet to feed. Bro, I'm gonna feed my mushrooms to them so they won't be hungry. Not wasting. I care about my pets. Why would I give them starving? Here. I got apple seed. Didn't know that. And also, anything more? Nothing more. Hey, coconut. My dog is already full. Huh. I need my dog to be 50 levels so I can. Wait, I don't even know where's my real dog. Hey, my mythic egg has hatched. And also my full egg. Robin. Rat. Bro, come on. Are they even strong? Wait. Chicken, no. 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 Should I? Okay. I don't want to change my dog. But I really need to dog. Marn. Are you Marn? Sorry, Marn, but you gotta go. I want the biggest. Yeah. I like snails. No! Are you hungry? Oh, he's not hungry. No, I don't even know which is better. I think they're trash. Yes! Yes! Look at this! Look at this! This is golden blueberry. Oh my god, this is giant mushroom. Think it's a pot where I do my hobbies. Yeah, I got 2 hobbies. Yeah, no, why did my hobby did not work? Guys, I have nothing to do but to sell Robbie a dog. I accidentally said. Hey, mouse! Rooster socks. Orange tabby. No, I'm not sure yet. I want to sell my pet. Sorry, my doggy. Sorry, doggy. I'm very sorry. And you, Rooster, you're bye. Goodbye, bro. Goodbye. Seeds. Did someone join me? No. Hey. No. Bamboo is now worthless to me. It's just like a mess. some fruits for me so I can gain some money. I need some money, bro. What do you think I'm gonna do? Let them all wait until they grow? Huh? Bro, you man, I'm gonna wait for like 1 day just for them to all grow. Nah, what the hell is this? This is the gigantic dragon fruit. Nah, that's a mama dragon fruit. Well, I'm gonna sell him if he gives birth. Wait, he doesn't have a dad yet. Oh no, not a dad. A boyfriend yet. He needs to have a boyfriend, and I will get infinite mushroom. Hey, don't stop. I need to wait 2 minutes for just this stupid thing. This a private server is actually not useless. It's actually good. I'm never changing Triceps. He's the best. Strawberry icon. Strawberry bacon. Oh my, so benching. You know that benching? Okay, good. I burped so hard. What kind of colors I have of mushrooms? I got purple, is this green or cyan? Teplagon, and this is Teplagon, and I don't know, is this, I don't know, and this, I don't know, and that, I don't know, and that, blue, and that, pink, and that, green, and that, cyan, and that, blue, and that, pink, and that, purple, and that, yellow, and that, green, and that's yellow. Bro, and this is cyan. Wait, did I say Tempagon of this? No, I'm not still sure. Okay, I'm gonna sell this. Give me a good price. This is worth much. Bro, this worth like, hey Mark, later wanna, okay. Sure. By the way, I'm making a video. By the way, I'm making a video. What is your video name? Okay. Playing garden again. Playing garden again. Hey, what is your video name? Hey! Wait, who's the traveling merchant? I mean your video's name channel. My video's name channel, it's Pandora. Yep, I think Frandolphy, Bren. My name is Brandon. Amasi. Okay. Eggs? Show me egg shop. Legendary egg, bug egg. Bug egg. I want raccoon, man. Wait. Wait, I'm gonna join. Okay, let me see my channel's name. I forgot the name. Bro, what is the Frandolf? Frandolfi and Frandolf. Yeah. Frandolf. Yep, Frandolfi and Frandolf. But I guess someone might do. I only got 8 likes. Yeah, by the way, guys, I really want a fence, and can you guys say in the comments how to get a fence? Because don't troll, bro. Maybe you say buy a fence, bro. Maybe you will say buy a fence. I think my friend commented one of my video. I think he found a video. He found my video. Oh my god! I fell. Hey, get away from my statue. Get away from my statue. Hi, I'm Jorbat Bradseed. I don't really care about your name. What do you mean you don't care about my name? I don't know. Maybe you're just ugly. Ugly what? I just said my name is Randolphy Ocean Mamma Mia Papa. Um, I already make a video. I already made a video of a hunt zombie. I wanna see your face really bad. Nah. Thing every video that shows my face. Bye. No. Bro, I need to delete this. I don't want him to see my face. I don't want him. Nah, no. 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 No, I'm deleting them. I won't let him see my face. Okay. Deleting. No. Nah. I'm deleting the please collab. No, that's stupid. That's stupid. Very stupid. Nah. Nah. I don't want the... Maibasagan mo. Yeah. I don't want that. Is that all? Please? Yep, that's good. I think it's good. Finally, I deleted them. Oh my god, I need to delete them. I don't want to show my face to him. Did Bradley really left? Guys, next is still a brain rot, okay? Still a brain rot. If my friend is in my private, no, I'm not taking that. I'm not taking that. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, if you see this video, I'm so sorry. I just wanna be alone, okay? And I want a trustworthy friend. He already, I think he got banned. Yeah, he got banned. join the game, I'm blocking him.
Carrotini Brainini.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. That was, oh my god, that's really mean. That's really mean. Okay, yeah, that's really mean. It's really, really mean. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, so sorry. I can't, I just don't want to trust anyone. I just don't want to trust anyone. And also, I don't trust him. He might steal my brain rot. But taking a friend of mine, a true friend of mine, maybe say if I, okay, let me see. This cappuccino is no. 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 Las cappuccinos, las combinations, las raletas, lassis. Lassis. What is lassis? Brainini. It's Brainini. 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 Hey, I'm gonna invite every single friend that is playing. Still a brain rot. Still a brain rot. Still a brain rot. I'm not like gonna scam them. Though I think the person I invite thinks I'm gonna scam him. But actually not. Maybe he's busy or he need things to do. Yeah.
Tetete Saúl.
Tata Sahur. Tata Sahur. Shut up, you Tata Sahur. Tata Sahur. Huh? Huh? And this guy is better than you, Tata Sahur. What's up? I'm making video so I speak Tagalog. Dino. Okay. DK soda? What the? Oh, you the king that tried to steal me. Okay, you the one. I think the boat is you the one. You, so I needed when you're open your video. Yeah. And I can post this of you guys arguing in pub. Bro, do bro really admit it that he will steal from me? No way. It's epic. Hey Milo, wanna trade? I did soda all agaya. Can I have my secret back? I need money. Please. Free. It's my bro. He said I can only use it for money. Nah, that's literally mine, bro. Bro, these two people is literally mine, and he's gonna say it's only I can use it for money. Not for money, okay.
La vacca Saturno Saturnita.
Why? I'm gonna say why. Let's hear her question. Let's see. If we're gonna make excuse, I just loves it. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. No, you're not gonna steal from me. Don't go up there. Wait, is here Tralalero a secret? I'm gonna steal it. What? What is this? I cannot do it. Change. followers that is shipped. Can you hold it? Bruh, okay.
Extinct Tralalero.
What if I don't give him back? What if I don't give him back? I'm never giving him back it.
Extinct Tralalero.
Give back later, okay. Yeah. I'm not giving back your extinct Tralalero. It's only for me. You stupid. You really thought you will believe?
Extinct Tralalero.
It's now mine. I'm never giving it to you again. As soon as I get her secrets, I'm leaving and blocking him. No. What if I steal? I will steal all, except for that weak wings.
Trippi troppi troppa trippa.
Trippi troppi troppa trippa.
Extinct Ballerina.
I got extinct ballerina, but bro, I let my friends have it because I wanted to
Treno Struzzo Turbo 3000.
I will show you my brain rats that I gave to this guy. But you will see. Did bro already left? Okay, this is the brain rat I gave him to him. Triple Chubby and Chinese Turnus and Turbo 200. But I'm keeping these people. I'm keeping all of them. I'm not gonna give him to him. We're almost at 1 billion and they're almost getting to rebirth. Yeah, rebirth. Oh my god, it's Chimpazzini, Betty Giddy. Oh, did I say Chimpazzini Banadidi? No, just joking. I said Ballar.
Cocofanto elefanto. Cocofanto elefanto.
Hey. I'm very rich, guys. Look. Cocofanto elefanto! But this is the weakest thing I ever see. Wait a minute. You're the weakest thing I ever see. No, I'm not gonna do that. Bro, it's like the server is still on 10 boost lock. 12 reverse. 13 reverse. 13 rebirths? Oh my god, I like honey. Look, I always use this. This is the best. 14 to 15. Okay? I said goody boom. Goody boom. Because I got a honor. I got $1,000 they gave me, but I already bought it on a stupid Lego. It cost like 595 cents. And I have 695 left. So that means I'm buying the others for Roblox. You might say, bro, you're wasting your money on stupid Roblox. Well, I've been playing Roblox ever since. Every time, every game, I'm using the medic, bro. I'm using the medic. In game, I'm using the medic. Like my friend said, Hunty Zombie, I'm using the medic, bro. Every game, I'm using the medic. Forsaken, I'm using the medic. If you say, what kind of medic? Elliot. You betrayed me! Now you're gonna spawn in front of me! When I was 6 years old, you spawned in front of me, and you left me with no money. I tried to buy you, but someone stole you from me. Now you came back for me, but I have no money to buy you. What am gonna do? My bag is full for you. What am I gonna do? Say goodbye to you. Ballerina, ballerina, you're not a ballerina. You're just a tea of cup. All you do is break. Li 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 la li la, li 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 la li la, cappuccino assassino, trill talpa, Nubini Pizzanini, Guareccio Limoncello, Pipi Kiwi, Lionel Cactuselli, Gangster Fotera, Team Cheese, Nubini Pizzanini, Trippy Trop, Lili Li Larila, Pipi Kiwi, Nubini Pizzanini, Lili Li Larila, Talpa di Ferro, Fully Fula, Pipi Kiwi, Team Cheese, Nubini Pizzanini, Nubini Pizzanini, here's the Tata Sahur, here is Flurry Fula flying in the skies, here is Team Cheese as a rat not even eating cheese, and this is Cacto Hippopotamo, he's inside the cactus, and this is Pipi Kiwi, and this is Brr Brr Patapim Tralalero Tralala, Brutele Manchuno Bini Pizzanini, Burbaloni Luli Loli, Fluli Frula, Trick Track Barabum Nubini Pizzanini, Pipi Kiwi, Lili Li Larila, Lili Li Larila, Brr Brr Patapim, Brr 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 Patapim, Tatata Sahur, Cacto Hippopotamo, Tatata Sahur, Nubini Pizzanini is shining like a gold, Flurry Fula, Fully Fula, flying in the skies, Brr Brr Patapim is shining like a gold, shining in my eyes, Tata Sahur, Nubini Pizzanini, Cappuccino Assassino, Lili Li Larida, Bandito Bobrito, Fluli Flula, Pipi Kiwi, Gangster Futera, Trippy Troppi, Pipi Kiwi, Pipi Kiwi, Prelo Cello, Limoncello, Bandito Bobrito, Cacto Hippopotamo is like a diamond shining, Team Cheese is like a gold shining so hard, Trippy Troppy, Avocadini, Antilopini, Gangster Futera, Talpa di Ferro, Gangster Futera, Gangster Futera, Flurry Flula, Flurry Flula, Talpa di Ferro, Trippy Troppy, Gangster Futera, Gangster Nubini pizzanini, Rhino tostarino, Nubini pizzanini, gangster putera, la, talpa di ferro, banita dolfinita, la, Tim Cheese, Mamma Mia. Oh my god. Bandito. I'm back. I'm gonna be inviting you. It's getting boring. Is bro offline? Yep, he's definitely offline. Well, I'm just gonna invite him in case it's offline. Okay. Get your stupid things back. If he doesn't join, I keep everything. Take them all back.
Leru, leru, leru.
Tomorrow or later give the yeah, I know. I give it back. I'm a trustworthy friend. I'm a trustworthy Mamma mia! Joking. Sorry. No, you're not coming! Bro, that's mine! Bro.
Extinct ballerina. Extinct ballerina. Extinct ballerina.
It was mine, bro. You sold yours. Bro, stupid, bro. My bad.
Cocofanto elefanto.
Cocofanto Elefantos found! And he is a brainwave god. What about Labaka and Chair? Need them for money. Later I will do that. Wait, did it already refresh? Bro, this is only what it refreshed. Bro. Orkala. 'Cause I 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 'c na. Na. So you're leaving Palalero. Then okay, I'll still buy. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So bye bye.